How exciting is this? So, the first set of scans have come back from my first roll of film. Super excited. Definitely can recommend like trying film photography. It's very different to digital, and yeah, it's hard to sort of explain. Just takes you back to a very simple shooting method where you don't have to worry about all the digital bits and pieces that come on a camera. It's just your shutter, your film, your exposure triangle, and having some fun. So actually this video is a little bit back to front because I filmed me taking photos for the first time on the camera. So I will include that at the end of this video so you can see, and then I'll show you these photos as well so you can see how it went. But yeah, I just wanted to take you through the process of developing the film as well. So I took it to a local camera developing place, film developing place, and they just asked me how I want it done, and I just said the standard way because I wasn't sure. So there was an option to either get this film cut or get it in a roll at the end, and I just decided to go with it cut, but I'm not sure if that's the right option. If you're an experienced film photographer, let me know. Should I be getting it in the rolls, or is the strips the better way to go? And the other thing is they just said if you bring in a USB stick, I think it makes it cheaper or whatever it was, so they just quoted me a price with the USB stick, so I brought the USB stick. And they've given me this little sort of postcard to show me what's there, and that was very exciting. I haven't really looked at it very well, but it looks like the first few frames I probably missed because maybe I wound the film on too much from the looks of it. What happened also was at frame, what did they go up to 26? Yeah, it was a bit weird with the counter. When I got to frame 24 on the counter, I couldn't shoot anymore. So obviously those 2 frames were at the beginning there. Anyway, maybe that's normal. I don't know. Like I mentioned, I've shot film before in my life, but I'm getting old now. So it's been like, I don't know, 20 something, whatever years since I've pretty much touched a film camera. So this is kind of like a new experience. I can't really remember much about it back then, other than the cameras that I used to shoot on would just point and shoot, load your film, it automatically loads it for you, unloads it. Was this one I had to wind, and I couldn't even remember how to put it in if you watched the last video. So anyway, it looks like it turned out, and I will finish the video here and just cut through to the filming of me shooting, and then I will put these pictures, which are hopefully on this USB stick. I haven't even checked. I'm assuming they're like JPEGs or something, and I'll put them at the end of that so that you can see my first lot of photos. And if they were good, I might do a little video talking about them. If they're not, it's probably not worth doing that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to shooting another roll. Let me know what film I should get, and yeah, I'll have another try at it, and we'll see how it goes. Also, if you're interested, I can make a video about how the whole experience was, pros and cons and differences with digital, etc. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So today is finally the day that I've got my film camera, and I'm going to finally take the first picture. So the meter's ready at 1. You may or may not be able to see that, and I've set it to program mode and aperture, automatic aperture, that's what I'm trying to say. And I've got my film speed set up, so I'm going to take the first picture, and I've just spotted, we're in this like park thing near the water, and I just spotted this little sort of scene there. So if you have a look, that's what I'm going to take a picture of. So that's going to be my first picture. I'm pretty nervous here. I've got to also manual focus this, so here we go. Ready, steady, go. Oh my God, so loud. That was pretty cool, a bit nerve-wracking. So now I've got to wind this film up so you can watch. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to... I was supposed to see if that knob's going round, but anyway. It did move to 2, so I think we're ready for the next shot. So I'll walk around somewhere, find a good spot, and then I'll show you my second shot. So at my second spot, just around the corner from the first one, I found this kind of like a lot of light and dark happening here. So I'm going to try and shoot that, and we'll see how we go. Hopefully you can hear me on that mic. We're not really mic'd up very well, but we'll see how we go. So I've got to focus. It's so different to digital. Like you have to like. I feel like I'm really taking my time trying to get it right. So that's kind of a good thing. But then it's like, did it turn out or not? I'm trying to look at the screen, but there's nothing there. But it's pretty cool so far. So let's go and take the third one. Hi, third location. So I've got the water now, and I've got this little gap between the trees. I'm going to try and shoot that. So still in auto. I just tried to sort of meter it. It looks like it's going at about f8. So we'll just shoot and see what happens. Uh-oh. It's not pressing. What do I do? Seriously. Do I wind it again? Really? Did I not wind it? Oh my God, I didn't wind it. Embarrassing. Okay, now there's people there, so we'll just have to wait. Oh gosh, the joys of film photography. Okay. I'm winding this time. Okay, let's hope we're ready for the next one. I might leave it here with the video and just go and shoot this roll, and I'll show you the pictures after this. Hopefully they'll turn out as a slideshow, and then I'll do a follow-up video and talk a bit about the camera and etc. You can ask me some questions if you've got any other questions, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.